I am still reading. Q Jerome Corsi screen grab from Baruch the Scribe video on YouTube. Tafoyevsky is very patient with me. The evidence is right in front of me with the field occupied with the single character Q. He explains. Tafoyevsky, maybe it would help if you would see the video. Defango explains a little better how Corsi used. It was kind of like, if you donated constantly to Corsi, if you donated each month to Corsi, maybe I am wrong on this, if you donated every month to Corsi, he would blind CC you with correspondence that he would have with Q. And this indeed rings a bell with me, as Jerome Corsi sold subscriptions on Gab.I to subscribers who received inside information. These Gab subscriptions were a thing until Gab was deplatformed and that messaging service could no longer process credit card payments. Q Corsi sells premium content on Gab. Corsi masqueraded as an analyst, writer of multiple New York Times bestsellers, with intelligence community connections that did not actually exist. I researched Jerome Corsi and I uncovered no contractual relationship between him and any agency of the US government. Ever. Q Ferber final shot. Corsi appeal to authority January 2018. Corsi was never an employee, a contractor, or a subcontractor for the US government. His own biography on LinkedIn confirms it. If Corsi ever enjoyed a relationship of any kind with the US intelligence community, there is no evidence of it, and he will never produce any. When challenged, Corsi will predictably say, "That is classified," and he will pretend that he can say no more. And it is true that the intelligence community never confirms nor denies. But take this from me, graduates of US government intelligence courses, whether conducted at the Farm or Harvey Point, or Fort Meade, Fort Huachuca or Fort Bragg, can recognize one another through petty indicators that elude non-initiates. We know our own, and Corsi is not one of us. Q Corsi Ludicrous Gematria Cutie Code 1. One of Jerome Corsi's fatuous cutie codes. Corsi never served in the US intelligence community. Corsi was never trained by any agency in the US intelligence community, and Corsi is no expert at military intelligence communications. The gobbledygook that QAnon dishes out in ludicrous Q drops is not a classified communications system. I was trained on such systems. CSSP, Alameda Naval Air Station, 1986. I know them when I see them. This ludicrous verbiage is not a classified communications system. It is, in fact, a fantasy. Corsi persuaded Paul Ferber and Tracy Diaz that he was an intelligence community insider, and they believed him because they never met a real one. They also desperately wanted Corsi to be legit. We might think that old men in proximity to their demise would make no time for such bullshit, but we would be wrong. Someone may wish to remind Jerome Corsi that he'll take no gold with him when he dies. Trujillo, I say. And this was something that he was selling on Gab. Tafoyevsky, yeah, I think so. Gab. Trujillo, he was doing some kind of subscription thing on Gab. Amazing. Jerome Corsi now receives a whopping $60 a month from Patreon. At one time, he was raking in far more dough. How far the mighty fell unless Corsi is still making money through an association with Patriot Soapbox. I no longer pay attention to Corsi, and I cannot stand to watch Patriot Soapbox. Tafoyevsky, I remember promoting him. He used every single penny that he could gain money out of. Q Corsi profiteering Elemi Fuentes. Courtesy of researcher Elemi Fuentes. I do not think that Arturo means that he actually promoted Corsi back in the day. Again, we must remember that English is not his first language. I think that he meant that Corsi used multiple angles to wrest income from his audience. Amazon book sales, Gab subscriptions, donations via PayPal, and Patreon patrons. Corsi was paid $15,000 a month by Alex Jones's InfoWars Washington, D.C. bureau chief, until he spat with the exquisitely coutured Roger Stone. Trujillo, that guy was greedy. Really greedy. So when did Defango do this video? Tafoyevsky, it was like 1 year ago. April 1st. Defango TV, Jerome Corsi and QAnon, Army Jack and A858 coders or shills compromised? YouTube, April 1st 2018. Trujillo, yeah. I'm looking that up now. April 1st. Yeah. Alright. So what we got here is emails indicating that Corsi is talking to Jack. Is that correct? Tafoyevsky, yes. Trujillo, we got indications that Jack is Thomas. Tafoyevsky, yes. Not only by email, but by this other person. Let me send you the image. That is Donna Emerald. She says that she was in communication for 6 months with someone. That he was calling himself Jack. This was Thomas. Donna Emerald. I intend absolutely no offense with this observation, but it strikes me that Miss Emerald was yet another matronly mark for Schonberger to scam. Donna Emerald's YouTube channel reaches 87 subscribers. Trujillo. So you think that Thomas has been Q all along? Tafoyevsky. No. I am sure that Thomas was the influencer. Or Trujillo. Yeah, Tafoyevsky, in different aspects. Like with Corsi, he was there for a while until Corsi was eventually removed from the team. He always had influence via Snow White and others that he knew within the group. Just by his association with Tracy Beans. Tracy DS. Q-list at Tracy Beans intro TS. I am thinking, who was Snow White? Oh yeah. Unanimous on BitChute. And at Snow White 7 I am on Twitter. Boom, 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 boom. Snow White. Cicada unanimous. Lisa Clapion Arud Pistis Sophia Snow White 7 I am unanimous. The only way out is in on BitChute. Or, in other words, Lisa Clapion Arud, aka Pistis Sophia, and at Snow White 7 I'm activist media. Cicada Pistis Sophia Lisa Clapion TS Mindy at Insurgent Media November 26, 2018. Trujillo. Right. Tafoyevsky. I think that's enough. Trujillo. So let me think about this for a minute. What was the significance of the tweets that came out today? Tafoyevsky. The significance was that we used 3 references. What do you call it? Like, 3 arguments that, with evidence, and also it makes sense, it fits, about the involvement of Thomas with this specific LARP. With this one that connects not only to QAnon, but to his old puzzle, Pi-Mobi, that he used to infiltrate Cicada. We're basically like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. Cicada Lestatui TS equals A858 to Corsi equals Pi-Mobi connection confirmed. Trujillo. Got it. Okay. Now I'm tracking with you. I'm starting to understand this. This is confusing. You got to make it simple for an old guy like me. Tafoyevsky. It's okay. It's good reference for me when I do the videos. Arturo is very patient and respectful with me. Talking with him is a blizzard of personalities in the truther movement that I never heard of, and a crash course in the intricacies of Cicada 3301, that most elaborate and mysterious puzzle of the internet age. I cannot help comparing him to Manuel Chavez III. Tafoyevsky is Mexican, and courtesy comes naturally to him. Chavez is American, rude, contemptuous, quick to assume betrayal, which makes sense when you consider that he was betrayed by Thomas Schonberger and in turn betrayed the secrets of Cicada 3301. Betrayal is a repeated theme in the psychological makeup of Chavez. Trujillo, do I have your permission to go ahead and do a transcript of our conversation here? I'll send it to you before I publish it. I do not have to publish this. If you think it should be published, I am happy to publish it. Tafoyevsky, you know, I've already told you why I talk to you. What I want is that to get, if something is going to be saved for history, that it be right. Trujillo. Okay. Taking more than Thomas, between each other, MAGA, and puzzles, and in which is very interesting. I find and I ask, Trujillo, what of the Russian embassy? I do not know.